What's up, guys? My indicator just helped me catch this insane trade on the NASDAQ. I had to share it with you. So for those of you that don't already know, my name is Ron Parker, and I built a custom TradingView indicator to help me. It helped me so freaking much that I'm now sharing it with the public. Eventually, I'm likely to sell it in some way, but for now, I'm willing to give early participants free access to my custom indicator. Check it out. Also, PDF. Let's dive in. The NASDAQ barreled lower today. On the left side, you've got a 15-minute screen. And this is where I get that zoomed out, bigger picture view. And today, we tested that 5-day trend that I track, and it failed to the upside. That failure on the upside, you can see it better and more clearly here on the 2-minute. We have this like double top form, and then we go back to VWAP again. So back to VWAP in the morning from pre-market. And then as we try to push higher, we go back to VWAP a second time. So we got this beautiful double topping pattern on the higher time frame, and you can see it here on the lower time frame. This is a 2-minute chart on the right. We got the 9 EMA cross of VWAP, which was an indication already that the market's gonna likely see more continuation to the downside. But I trade continuation. So my indicator was telling me this is an A+ grade opportunity. And yes, it grades opportunities for me. It tells me direction. Like today, it says the 5-day trend. It's this little table in the bottom right. 5-day trend is bearish. The grade was A+. Execution was short, and key levels were confirmed that they were crossed. Okay? It told me everything I needed was checked. All the boxes were checked for a monster move today, and we got one. Okay? So check this out. On the 2-minute, I took this stop above the swing, and I caught a huge short. Now, this is not exact. Obviously, I connect to my broker. It's a separate screen. But I want to show you, I made $2,048.28. And yes, I shared this trade live with my Discord. My Discord is connected to my indicator, which is really cool. It's super unique. When my indicator starts printing an A grade trade or above, it alerts everyone in my Discord. And there's no charge for that currently. I feel like people should be paying me for this, but currently I'm not charging. It's so early in sharing this. It's helped me so much. I just want to get it out there. I think this would help so many people. Let's run it back. I'll do a replay for you. I'm going to go back before this move even happened, okay? And you're going to notice on the bottom right, you got to look close because it's a tiny little table for those mobile users. On the bottom right, there's this table that's telling me the market was bullish in the morning, but the grade was C grade. It was a really low conviction up move. And as this started to fail, watch that box as it tells me more about what to do. Because it's right now telling me to wait. It says key levels not confirmed. The trend was bullish. Now, of course, the 15 minutes not in replay, so you can kind of ignore that. Let's look at the 2-minute. We got that push lower away from VWAP. Okay, the indicator updated to bearish. It says the grade is C grade and that we should wait. That key levels are confirmed. And that basically all we're waiting for is the 5-minute stack, which is really everything to just start holding up a little bit more before we actually see that continuation. It's waiting for the EMA to actually confirm cross VWAP, which the candle hasn't finished yet. So it's still waiting for that confirmation, okay? Check this out. I'm going to press play. We got the indicator updated. Now it's upgraded this because the EMA has confirmed crossed VWAP in the direction of the 15-minute trend. It's telling me everything is perfect for a short continuation trade. So I took one. That's all I have to do is sit here at the computer, wait for the indicator to say a great opportunity. And when it prints, I pay attention. I look for continuation. So the indicator's not telling you, hey, go short right now. It's saying, hey, this area is a fantastic area to put risk on. If you can identify a clear stop, and when momentum resumes, this will keep you on the right side of the trade, give you direction and fantastic timing. Check this out. I press play. Now I enter on the break of this consolidation right into here. This candle that starts breaking, obviously I'm not waiting for it to finish, but my stops go above these swing levels up here, right? And I'm targeting a move lower. Okay, everybody's managing this a little different. I teach a 2-to-1 risk to reward so that you don't have to be right every time. It allows for something like a 40% win rate or above, more like 33% and above, to become at least break even or profitable. So if you have like a 50% win rate, you can be profitable with a 2-to-1 ratio. I teach that all the time. So 2-to-1 plus a trail. Watch how this works out. Indicators printing A grade, bearish 5-day trend. It knows the higher time frame trend. It's tracking that for you. It's tracking yesterday's low of day. It's tracking the overnight low from all the pre-market and after hours session in Asia. So it knows that we're below those levels, and it's marking them. Okay? So we enter short. And we get a clean break through the overnight low. Like right away, it pushes right through that. It sits there, starts to consolidate, and it's breaking down lower. The indicator's upgrading this to an A+ trade. We're looking for continuation short. When do we get it? We start to get it right there, and it's continuing short. Continuing short. This is fantastic. For those of you that are looking for consistency, that want to be able to catch the moves at the right time and maybe be a little more mechanical in approach, if you're struggling to execute the same exact strategy over and over, something like this will help you so much. Do you know how I know? It's because it helped me. That's why I built it. It took me 2 years to make this indicator, and it's paying off huge. It's paying off huge. And because I have a passion to teach people, I have a YouTube channel where I deep dive into this exact strategy and I teach people to take this trade. If you want a PDF guide for free, if you want my indicator for free for Discord, there's a limited time opportunity where you can get in early. I will not charge you for it. So if you're tired of sitting there guessing when you should be taking a trade and guessing direction, this thing will help you so much, and I'll teach you how to use it. Come to my Discord, come hang out, share your trades. Look at this. I've got people in here that are sharing their screens. One of my friends, he made $600. You can see it here. It's kind of a crappy screenshot, but he made $600 trading this exact indicator with all of my strategy teachings, and he's asking for feedback too. And guess what? Yes, I'm sharing feedback based on his trades. So I deep dive, giving a breakdown of exactly what I would have recommended he do differently. A very in-depth reply. I'm a full-time trader. I have the time to sit here and share this. And I drop these charts all the time. $1,024. Here's the chart. $1,000. Here's the chart. I have proved consistency with it first. I did all of the hard work before sharing it. And yes, you can have an 80% win rate with this strategy. It's insane. It's insane. Look at these. Left and right. I'm posting my trades. You can see the P&L. Yes, I have red days, but they're kept really small. I usually bring something like $400 to the day. So when I'm hitting these big numbers, they're paying for multiple days. I don't have to be right every day. Yes, another $1,000 day, 72% win rate with a 3.61. When you start trailing your stops, you can catch some crazy winners. Imagine using this indicator to catch these crazy days on the NASDAQ or gold or whatever chart you trade. Okay? 85% win rate. I share in-depth breakdowns. So go check out my Discord. You can join for free, and for a limited time, I'm actually giving VIP access because I want to help people. I want to get this out there in front of more people. So if you're interested, comment below. Send me a message. Join my Discord. Let me know you're interested. I will give you access. I will give you a PDF guide. Let me go pull it up. I'll give you a PDF guide that gives you step-by-step instructions. And if you follow my YouTube channel, I teach the same thing. I'm teaching the same exact strategy in my YouTube. But if you want to sit down and study the charts, if you want to add this indicator to your screen, if you want to try it for yourself before you pay a dime, this is your limited time opportunity while I'm still early sharing this into the public. Well, it's still early sharing to the public. You see? So go check it out. I'll share all this stuff for you. And I guarantee it will help you. No, I'm not responsible for your trades. I will be sharing a disclaimer at the end. But remember, this was built to help me build consistency. It was made so that I can be kept on the right side of the trade. And it's helped me so freaking much. It's been so consistently helpful day in and day out that I can size up with no question that this is the right or wrong opportunity to be looking at. I get crazy helpful alerts that tell me before these giant moves happen in things like NASDAQ, gold, cryptocurrency, stocks. It doesn't matter what you trade. This indicator works for all of them. Okay? It doesn't tell you when to buy and sell, but it gives you the A grade, A plus grade areas to look for trades in a singular direction. You combine that with some solid risk management, and you've got set up to capture crazy profits. If you don't believe it, go check out my YouTube. Come hang out in my Discord. You hang out here for 5 minutes, and you'll clearly tell that this is no joke. This is seriously helpful. I've had crazy good feedback on this for a good reason. Okay? I can't promise that I'm always going to be giving this away for free. I can't promise you that. But I can tell you for the moment, I'm willing to share access to get the word out there, to help more people, to feel that passion because I love to educate. So I hope this helps you. I hope you enjoyed this. If you traded this same move, I hope you made some money. Maybe you can see this with a different perspective today, looking at it with my indicator point of view. And yeah, go check it out for yourself. That's it for now. Ron Parker, I appreciate you guys so much. And if you haven't already liked and subscribed, please do so. This is a new channel and we're just getting started. We have a lot to offer and there will be more indicators built in the future. But for now, we're keeping it super focused on the one. I do have other scalps that I trade and we have indicators in the works for those. So if continuation strategy isn't necessarily your forte and you like to trade back to VWAP and other scalps, then stay tuned because there's more to be built out, more to be shared with the community in time. It's just got to get polished up. It's got to get all the kinks worked out. But this is 2 years in the making on this single indicator. It's 3,000 lines of code I will show you. It's probably more than that now. It's insane. Okay, maybe not 3,000. We cleaned it up. It's 1,712 lines of code. It took a long time to build this. It was a lot of effort that went into it. Let all my hard work pay off for you. As a full-time trader, I spent the last 2 years working on this every single day. I know a lot of you don't have time for that. You're sitting there in your day jobs, you come home and you're cooking dinner and unwinding. Let all of my hard work pay off for you too. Come check it out. Go see my Discord. You're sure to love it. Again, my name is Ron Parker, and I am not responsible for your trades. This is the disclosure. I appreciate you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll catch you next time.